There's so many unknowns when this came on. I mean, how many people are prepared for a pandemic? So a lot of the regulations and laws were changing so quickly that we were trying to react as fast as we could. And the biggest thing we need to do is, how do we protect our people? How do we keep them safe through this pandemic? And that changed every single day. One of our biggest successes is the flexibility and agility of our team. Overnight, we lost a lot of customers. They had to shut down. Then we had several customers that ramped up. We had a lot of customers that were in the medical industry and laboratories and so on. So the flexibility of our team, they were working nights, weekends, a ton of overtime, and just doing anything and everything they could to support the customers. It's just amazing to see that hard work we put in the years past has really shined through as this pandemic came on.
When I think about us being part of what would be considered essential, I think that we always have that. I don't think it was something that pandemic needed to show DeWys. I think that the team has always known that we are very important. And I think that the pandemic brought out a level of professionalism in DeWys. Just that spirit of people not questioning that we can do what we have to do to get product to the customers that needed it to support people that were struck by the pandemic.
My mom works in the medical field, and I know from her experience on the front lines that this is an important thing that we need to do, and it just feels good to be a part of it. Just want to thank DeWys Manufacturing for making sure that we all have a safe and clean working environment to come to every day. I know in these hectic times it's pretty uncertain for a lot of people, and it's nice knowing that we have a place to come to every day and get a job done. If we can help people in the process, it's even better.